guys, welcome again to I Am Ready for Love with the Greenland.
Who that?
Mr. and Mrs. Greenland.
Then that one.
Yes, I'm saying welcome again to
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
She just cut out my welcome, so you understand? Anyways, so thank you again for joining us on I Am Ready for Love with Canessa and Jerome. So today, we know a lot of people ask long time, we not see no video, we not see no picture, what going on.
We're married for two.
You understand? Yeah, if we're married for two, or if I want us to ring we are wear, and all of them things there. So anyways, today we're going to give you the opportunity to see what you've been waiting for. You understand?
Yeah.
But guess what? If you drop a like,
Yeah.
leave a comment down there,
Yeah.
and share the video.
Yeah.
I have to tell somebody
Yeah.
about I am
Ready.
for
Love.
or else. Let me take it down. You understand? So we're saying, guys, please share this video, and basically we want the channel to reach 1K. So like the video, drop a comment down below. So we're going to let you in to December 26th of 2020, the day that I went to the altar and I said
Two.
the day that I said to this beautiful woman, I do. You know what I'm saying? So brother out there, don't follow yourself.
Hello, come. Do this video.
It me feel good, nah, like. Alright, anyways, so we're going to let you in on the day of December 26, 2020.
Boxing Day.
And not only Boxing Day, let me tell you about December 26, 2020. That was the day that I shoot my first shot
Oh
at
yes.
this lady. You know what I'm saying?
It was not 2020.
It was 2018.
Yes.
But it was December 26
Okay.
that I bust the gun and say, no, so the girl
You
never
shoot
raped.
him shot and he missed.
No,
if
never
you follow
miss.
us on Instagram, you know that.
Guys, I shoot my shot that day and
he
should have
missed.
behaved like say,
He missed.
you know?
He missed.
Let me give up his her. Like, no, I'm okay. I don't need anybody. And like,
I don't sound like that.
no, the text sound them weird. Don't them little play hard to get like,
I wasn't playing.
it's not going to work and all
I
kind of
wasn't
something.
playing.
But guess what? Me just say, say to me, no, me want the Lord is my shepherd and I see what I want. I went for it. So December 26th was the day that we got married. So it was a very special day, a very maybe a day in our relationship. You get me? I think Canessa would have enjoyed herself a bit more than I pre-wedding day.
Why?
Because them have bachelor party and all that.
Oh yes, I got a surprise bachelorette party and God know, me mean say at the first time ever catch me, cause me and me say CSI, me always know, but them catch me this time, me can give them this.
I don't know if no that clip there. No, I don't know if no that it.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know if no that it.
And then probably we see like when they say surprise, but not more. Sorry.
The night before the wedding, the Friday night, that's Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Christmas
Our
Day.
Christmas Day was work.
The first Christmas Day, I'm gonna get a Christmas breakfast. It means that now on a Christmas Day I have a big breakfast. I get no Christmas breakfast. And for Christmas, yeah, I get Christmas dinner, but we don't get it the usual way. You understand? So it wasn't a regular Christmas day. It was basically a preparation day because we had somebody to do the decoration of the reception here, but we had to decorate the church and support ourselves.
Yeah.
So we're there and we basically did our rehearsal that night. But big up to our bridal party, Orius, aka Asian, yeah. You know, so Upton was there, so that was Orius was my best man, Upton my groomsman, and then Canessa on the other hand had
Can, bestie, best gal, yeah, sister, and Shawnee. Hey, cuz.
Yeah, so we actually stayed at the same hotel the night before the wedding. So we went to the rehearsal and they finished decorating the church. We're gonna put in some little clips so you can see what I'm going on.
We never even record nothing when we did that at the hotel wedding.
We don't go with one bag of things.
We did a dance up and a go on, all of us.
Because the thing about it, we had wanted to dance Jerusalem to enter the reception hall. And if you know me and you know me good, if you know me good, you know me a bad dancer. You understand? So I had to be training these people.
Me don't wanna like catch me.
No, me can't do a little thing. I'm a dancer. Me can't do a little thing. Tell the truth.
A very, very, very little thing.
No, I'm not gonna see the video when me enter and she say me a dancer. Ding dong need to check me. You understand? Yeah. So we were there the night at the hotel. We actually had our dinner and then for the whole night we basically practice dance and we just a dance.
We were enjoying ourselves.
Full joy ourselves the night. And then now you know say me have to go sleep and then me now have a little anxiety problem. I know anxiety but it's a little, when me get nervous, like anytime I'm approaching a big day, it's like me no want to tell you it's wisdom. So me not focus. So when it's a big day for me normally have a little tell them no, tell them. Have a little nervous thing, you understand? So in the night after we finish dance and so forth, you know, so I have my show and so on, I go sleep, but you know, so I never go sleep that well because I'm anxious every minute I get up and I check the time to see if morning light, you understand? And then I say, no boy, me you know, say, you tell man done, you understand? My belly, when me anxious, it go on like a way, you understand? So, I get up early in the morning and say, alright then, I go do this now brother, I hate this now. Today is the day, you understand? But Oris and Upton now like Christian was there as well. They made the thing really and truly much more comfortable for me because they were like an excellent source of support. Yeah. So that was it. So how was it like in the female room over there?
Well, it was great. Like after we went over to their room and we did a dance the night. We come out of our room about after 1.
Yeah, about after 1.
Yeah.
A morning
wedding. Morning wedding. And we in a feed them room, I dance and a party out till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Well, after 2 we go sleep. So we had to get up early enough because the wedding started 11, so we had to get up probably by 7:30, 8 to get ready so the camera crew could come in and do whatever they had to do. But at the same time, we never really feel tired. We're just excited and everything. So.
But once we went over to our room, we just go sleep, like we just bathe and go sleep, and then when we woke up in the morning. Good morning. So today is finally our wedding day, and I'm expecting it to be a great day. And I'm happy to be going into this new chapter of life, bro. Like, it is crazy. I never actually thought that this day was going to happen because I may not pray that's up here. But I am happy. Isn't this beautiful though? God's artwork. Anyways, the ocean is just dancing this morning. Everyone's gorgeous. Then everything was like go, like it was just go from a wake up, and it was I wasn't nervous, like I don't know, me not feel the nerves what everybody did I feel.
Me never feel too nervous in the morning because in the morning we get up and we had some things to do which kind of distract me a bit after being nervous, so it kind of work out.
Yeah.
Good thing we didn't have a look overnight food because we try shell next morning because I make up my mind set, me now go with hungry, you understand? So we shell my food and then we bathe, get ready. I think I'm going to wash the car or something. Yeah, we get ready. And getting ready now was fun getting ready because at that time the camera crew was there and it was like the three of us were there, Orius, Upton, myself, and it was the first time actually like I put on the full suit of clothes. Can you believe me? Like literally I put on everything so it could look. Yeah, that was the feat that we had because
that's a risk now.
no, but here the risk now when me take out my pants and so I put it on.
I see him.
People, I mean, so I see the pants at the tailor when I took it to the dry clean and everything. I say, my seam now way up under my bottom up here, sir, which we now wear seam up in the place there.
The police.
3 seam around the back. I say, what go on, like, I'm my fault because I really check it, but I was so confident and I said, "Throw a white, I want to hands it up and everything because I paid, I think 4 or 5 to do the person and whatever."
You could have given me the 4 or 5 damn do it for you know.
Could have buy a big deal. Anyways, good thing Christian was there and Christian basically helped me out because I walk with my iron. I even walk with an extra white shirt and I said, guess what, devil, you're not going to stop this today. You know what I'm saying? So we pressed out the pants, fixed it up and everything, and it was good, never have no problem. Figured out all the scene. And yeah, that was basically it.
The camera crew was great because they were so hilarious. It's not funny.
I'm not lie. Just look on the clips them. And when we say, what's the name again?
St. Thomas Events.
That was for the video.
Keep It Real Media.
Keep It Real Media. I'm not lie. St. Thomas Events, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Keep it real. Brother. I'm not lie. I have to do this. Keep it real, big up on yourself. I say the man them go all out to get some shots. The man them basically start make with day from dressing. I'm serious because the interaction was good, professional, and
they did the engagement as well.
Yeah, that was the thing too. They were the ones who basically did the engagement shots for us. But I mean, say one time I see the man under the table
try to get a shot.
to get a shot. One time I said, "No man, the brother, you're not easy." When the man look like a Spider-Man, I tell her say they did an awesome job. So it was good from leaving the hotel. And when I put on my clothes now, at the time I feel like, yo, the day is here.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm like,
money now.
yeah man, I hate this. So we did that, and before I left, we said the Shauna Gate, that was Cannister's bridesmaid. Yeah, so please, none of them make me wait too long at the church. And they were like, no man, we are come soon. And the good thing for me, I think we had 11 o'clock check out at the hotel.
Yeah.
And then when someone started 11 o'clock, I said, thank you, Jesus. This room now, I'm going to sweat. You understand? Because
you didn't?
No, that was what I thought before. So, I left and went to the church. And while we were there at the church, waiting, families and so forth, they actually leave St. Mary and they reached before me. But they are St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we reached at the church and everything, we were there basically, relax and everything. But boy, I know so always a man in a ball, I understand, that's my best man. Me know say me with ball, I don't play for ball. Hope that now they want to laugh.
Same.
So, I was there and...
That's how my side of the bridal party is. I pay balling people and me and Upton are the only real G them for the party.
So me tell myself now say, I'm not balling today, I'm going to tough it up and yeah, I'm going to do my thing. I was in the church sitting down there waiting for Kanisa to come in and I don't remember the song started to play and it's like something just literally grabbed me and honestly I was like forced into a moment of reflection because I started to look at everything and said, boy, God, like, you're just good because I can't believe that everything is just
perfect.
It's just working out and I say, it's like me just turn Travis Green right now and just say, boy, God, all things are just working together for good. And I was there, I try to keep up the tears because I want to see me cry and sit down away from Canada and like get up and say, no man, now. I'm saying, alright, give me the car key. I'm going to the car and we never put on a good piece of wine because we couldn't hold it, we couldn't contain it. And the song just bring out everything and I said, God, thank you. And it was because of the reflection of just rolling back the curtain for a minute and just see where you're coming from, where you are now and where you're heading. And honestly, when I even think about Kanisa again, I said, boy, God, this is more than a blessing to me. So I was so happy that the person who today I call my wife is basically Kanisa. I was so happy, so I became overwhelmed in the church even before she came. I'd have to cry, man. I mean, I like, so even at the car now, I don't know. I said, alright then, yeah, go out your back. Nobody now don't say a ball, but you see them eyes here, then just give me away. Then red, yeah, then turn red. But after that, I didn't really care again about who wants to me to cry because me know say a real genuine cry. So I went back in the church and then I was there. I think by the time I was heading back to the church, I see the car coming something and I said, yeah, then I know some heart just start. Yeah, but anyhow.
While they left to go to the church and we were at the hotel still getting our makeup and everything done, the cameramen were there taking pictures and we're ready, you know. We're ready for an 11 o'clock start. We were ready. And the cameraman said, no, make him sweat.
We'll take picture.
Because you look good. So make him sweat when I take picture today.
They're gonna take on your star. Just tell them
No.
and you make the people no, you take back on the star for your boss.
Keith got all out. Mr.
Yeah.
Keep It Real went all out for those pictures.
So that was it, and the next thing I was creative, because I remember we're there, we didn't forget to sort out with mask and so forth. And
Yes.
because we have a white suit, we said, boy, how we gonna do this? You only have the surgical mask. I said, guess what,
Yeah.
brother? We're gonna flip them on the wrong side, because we're going to turn them in a white mask. But it was good. So while I was there now, and then they made up on a marched in first, and then
The bridesmaid marched in first.
the bridesmaid?
Yes.
Oh, yes, for real. The bridesmaid marched
And
in first.
Oakton, the bridesmaid and the groomsman
Yeah.
walked in first.
And then the maid of honor.
Mm-hmm.
And then now the song stopped and the song changed, and always say, well, I wasn't allowed to turn around, you understand?
No.
So my best man now always look at this and said, why, brother? I know you go back, because she pretty. The man said, brother, I know you go back. So I said, for real, man? He said, yeah. So then I said, why? Don't kind of hold it. But honestly, when I turn around, I tell her, say, me personally, I'm not a fan of
Lashes and
the lashes and the extensions and the makeup. I'm not my kind of thing. Those I'll work with them if they are just like
conservative.
yeah. Thank you very much. I will work with it, but that's not really me. I don't into it. Like you won't grab me that way. When I turned around and I looked down there and I saw Kanisa, honestly, me need not laugh at that one. I said, mighty God. It's like the evidence wasn't there to say, boy, this makeup. I mean, I tell her, say, honestly, she was like beautiful, capital B, capital E. I mean, say, me like, Jesus Christ. And I look down there and I say, God, thank you. If I was doubting before, I ain't doubting no more. I was overwhelmed, honestly. And then her mother brought her mother was basically the giveaway mom.
Yeah, because daddy couldn't come because of Corona.
So her mom couldn't make it. So Karen gave her to me, right? So remember, Karen gave her to me, right? And it was good. I remember basically there at the altar, and then Pastor Scott, my God, Pastor Scott had somebody else. You understand?
Him well extra.
The ceremony was like, my God. Honestly, I enjoyed the ceremony. Like, literally, it wasn't just I just come quickly get out of the church. No, I enjoyed the ceremony. It was great. Yeah, so that was it for the ceremony. And then by the time we're done, they were supposed to go around the back now for to sign up the certificate and everything. I remember me, I only my tears and not crying no more because I started enjoying the moment. Worse, I got the opportunity again to kiss my bride before I actually sign the register. So everything just calmed down and good, you understand? So we're there to sign the certificate. I got stop. We're not here to that
Here.
We're here I was like, come on, brother. Big up myself, brother. I know the thing.
We love you.
I know the thing, but you understand? Whereas I cut a little tears around him and say, yeah man. Pastor, I say, yeah man. I think I showed out the team, say if you ball one time around here. But it was good though, and then we left there and we head to the reception area.
And that's when we took our official pictures.
Yeah.
And we see them and then we order.
Nah, like, I love the photos, they were awesome. And then we went in on the food again.
Listen! Nose did
Listen.
an exemplary job.
Miss Kervin, big up yourself. The decorating at the reception, nah lie, the place turn up. I was so, the only thing I'm sorry is I wasn't like a night reception, but curfew was 7 o'clock, so we had to do everything early. Because the light, let me just get to turn on and bright up the place, me I tell you. But as it was awesome.
Gorgeous.
The place shell, yeah. So we went in and we enjoyed the reception. Again, we're going to leave some little clips so we can see what they're going, have an idea as to what we're talking about. But it was good. Anything about the reception really stood out for you? Me don't know.
You weren't there?
Yeah, but for you, I spoke.
For me, it was the dancing for me.
The dancing.
Yes,
Oh, in
because
the
we
end.
danced and went in and we danced to close it. Like it was just a
Yeah,
full
man.
party.
Yeah, it was a good family time. So that was awesome. So don't turn off it. We're just gonna leave a bit of clip, a bit of video below behind this piece of the video, so you can actually have an idea as to what went on. But remember, guys, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to it. Please tell somebody about it. Subscribe to I Am Ready For
Love!
Alright, peace.
And if you made it this far in this very long video, big up to you. Tell me down below so you make it this far.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bye guys!
Yeah. Show them the. Alright, big up.